Determining if a married man is sexually attracted to you involves looking for common indicators that distinguish a passing crush from something more significant. You might first observe signs of nervousness, such as fidgeting, blushing, or stammering, particularly when he's around you. Subconscious cues like lip licking or accidental on purpose touches can also signal romantic interest. Furthermore, his body language might change, including adopting a more dominant or manly posture, subtly invading your personal space, or displaying preening behaviors like playing with his hair. Brief eyebrow flashes and an escalation of compliments, moving from civil to overtly flirtatious, are additional signs that often suggest a deeper attraction. If his attention makes you uncomfortable, it may help to distance yourself from him if you can. If you're forced to interact with him, for example at work, try to keep things surface level and as public as you can, and only talk to him when you have to.